Well, greetings, interwebs. What have we got on tap for today? Let's see. The drywall guy is supposed to come out and finish off the island, that little area around the ends of it. And they're supposed to come install the garage door. That's kind of a big one. Having a big white garage door over that big open hole will look a lot better. We are getting so close to being done. And we are this close to 1 million subscribers. Yeah, that close. We only lack about 1 million. So let's get out to the house, shall we? The drywall guy came today and put ends on the wall. So that's all cleaned up now. They can paint it and you'll never know anything happened. Put a little trim around it. It'll look, well, as good as the rest of it. I guess that's it. Another week. No soffits. Oh well. Be seeing you.
Can't be.
Oh, wait. Hey. Yeah. We do have soffits. Just kidding. Ha ha.
Definitely not, no. No.
So apparently, the soffit guys came out here in the rain and put the soffits up. I didn't come out to film yesterday because it was pouring rain all day, and get here today and there's soffits. Concrete guys were here today, again in the rain, and they said this was already here when they got here. So yeah, these guys came out here in the rain and put up my soffits. Huh. So give it a nice white trim to go with the white trim around the windows. Looking sharp. Okay, now I can say it. Be seeing you.